Chow.
So when you get to the aisle or when you're in the gas station, how the heck do you pick from all of these oils? So there's a couple things you're going to look for. Number one, you're going to look, does it say full synthetic? Does it say synthetic blend? Or does it just say motor oil? What the heck does that mean? Now, motor oil is what I like to call dino oil. That is a conventional oil. It's literally made out of dinosaurs. It's not refined very much, and it also has properties that don't make it last as long. Now, when you step up, the next step up is going to be a hybrid. That's going to be that synthetic blend. Now, a synthetic blend is going to be half conventional and half synthetic. Now, synthetic does have properties made in a lab, so that means that those properties last a little longer when they're collecting carbon deposits and lubricating your engine. Now, then we step up from conventional to hybrid to full synthetic. Now, full synthetic is going to have all of that protection and more. So it's actually going to break down a lot less or not as quickly as one of the other two. Now, does that mean that you shouldn't be changing your oil as often? No, but also it means that if you needed to extend it, especially on a newer engine, that would give you a little bit longer to go to that next oil change. So technically speaking, you're seeing only a couple dollars difference in 5 quarts. That actually means that I would go, if your car allows it, for a full synthetic. So if you've checked your oil level, and I have a video on that, which I will put right here for you, but if you've checked your oil level and it's low, how the heck do you know what oil to put in your car? Let's talk about that. So our car is actually going to tell us what kind of oil we need. So check out our oil filler cap right here. See how it says 5W30? That is going to coordinate to the oil where it says 5W30. Now, the thing you need to know is, are you using conventional motor oil, hybrid, which is a synthetic blend, or full synthetic? On this one, we're using full synthetic. Can you see that? Now, if you don't know what it is that's being put in your car, it's really important to know that, because if you're stuck, let's say on a long road trip and you need to get a quart of oil from the gas station, the fastest way that you can do that is understanding if you're putting conventional, hybrid, or synthetic motor oil into your car. On this car, you can actually tell by the sticker. So our sticker actually says the next date that our oil change is due, the mileage our oil change is due, and that we're using 5W30 synthetic in this car. If you didn't have that on your sticker or that was missing, you could call the last place that did your oil change, give them your license plate number, and then you would be able to ask them what oil they put in your car. If you do not have a funnel, I'm going to show you how to pour this oil into your car so that it doesn't get all over the place. So you're a little low on oil. We know we need to fill it. Now, if your oil dipstick, let's say that your oil is all the way past this low mark. If it's past that mark, then it is time to add a full quart. Now, that you can do safely without feeling like you're going to overfill your oil. So today, I'm just going to show you how to pour a little bit in because we're only a little bit low. So the trick to this is that when you pour, you want to take the time to get that all the way off. You don't want to pour like this. You want to pour like this, and that will actually prevent it from glug, glug, glugging. So that's what we're going to do. Just like that. And if you needed the whole quart, you would use the whole quart. Otherwise, you actually have measurements here on the side. So if you needed to measure out how much you were using, you could do that calculation in advance. Otherwise, if you don't have those tools, or you're just playing it by ear, what you're going to do is you're going to put a little bit of oil in. You're going to start the engine back up, let it run for a couple minutes, turn it off, let it sit for about 60 seconds, and then check your oil level again. If you guys have questions about your specific vehicle or comments you want to share, make sure you leave them in the comments section and we'll get back to you.